Hey guys, welcome to PY.learning. This is the sixth part of our Python video tutorials. In this part, we will gonna make a calculator, an intermediate, an advanced and a beginner level calculator with Visual Studio Code using Python. So let's get started. So I will just use the concepts that I have taught you earlier. So as you can see, the startup and welcome window appears. So we'll simply click on new file and name it as tutorial 6. Tutorial 6.y. Yes. Okay. So we've come up with our Python file named as tutorial 6. So let's get started with the beginner level calculator. So for a beginner level calculator, we will just use two variables and print functions. Okay. So let's get started. So our first variable is num1. Num1 equals int function, input function, full quotes, enter the first number here. After this, let's take another variable named as num2. So num2 is as same as num1, so let's copy it and let's paste it, and instead of the first we'll add second here. So we have the second one. So after we have taken two variables with int and input function, we'll take print values. So first print value, then another print value. Sorry for the caps lock, I don't know how is it on. Print function, and then third print function, then a fourth print function, because we have 4 basic operations in Python. So in the first print function, we will make the sum value. For that, we will first add the statement here. So the statement is the sum of numbers are. Then after that, a comma for the separation, and let's put into the command. It will be num1 plus num2. So that's our additional command. So for the subtraction command, we'll also use the same concept. That's it. The difference of the two number are, or maybe is, here. It's, so that's a grammatical mistake, comma for separation, and then num1 minus num2. So 1 minute, I think it just okay. So in the third one, we will use multiplication. So for that, let's print the statement, the product of these number are is. I don't know why am I doing the same mistake every time. So the product of this number is num1 asterisk num2 I think it would have been num2, yeah. So in the next print function we'll use a divisional operator. So so the the quotient of these number is num1 slash num2. Okay, so there's our beginner level calculator. So let's test it. So let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, enter the first number here. Let's take the first number as 9 and our third number as 3. Second number, I mean. So the sum of these numbers is 12 because 9 plus 3 equals 12, and the difference of the two number is 6. Yeah, because 9 minus 3 equals 6. The product of these numbers is 27, 9 3 27, and the quotient of the number is 3.0. So this was for the basic calculator. Okay, this was a beginner level calculator, and this I told you. Now you have to make an advanced and an intermediate level calculator by your own. I'll be showing the results in this video only. First make our own and they'll see the solution. If you are not able to see and just forward the video. So this was the code for our basic level calculator, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to create an intermediate level calculator. So this is the solution part. So let's take the variables. So let's redirect the variables and num1 and num2. I'll just copy it, and here after this I'll paste it. Okay, so we have our num1 and num2. So the intermediate level calculator will be far advanced than the beginner level calculator, as it will ask us for things. Okay, so this calculator will be gonna make with the use of if and else statement that I taught in you, I think the third and the fourth part. So let's start with this. Let's take our first if so if 1 minute, before the if statement we have to take another input statement, that it's what to do statement. So let's take our variable as operation. So operation equals, and this one only. So see this carefully, as it's very important. And here in the replace of this statement I'll just add what to do. So this is a what to do statement, and besides of the int I'll just write string. And then after the operation, then we'll put the if and else statements. So first if operation equals, not an assignment operator. So if operation equals add, that's so print, I'll just leave it blank. So what we're gonna do here is 1 minute. So for a while I'll just leave it blank and go with another if statement. If operation equals subtract, if operation equals subtract, what to do, then print, I'll just leaving it blank. And then another one, if operation equals multiply, then print, if operation equals divide, sorry, yes, divide, then print. So now I'm gonna fill these print statements over here by just copy pasting this above print statements. Okay, so I'll just copy this one. For your sake, let me hide the terminator, and I'll just paste it over here, as you can see. And the print this function, I'll just copy this one, and I'll paste it over here. So, and here this print function, sorry, let's save and paste it over here, and then copy this one and paste it over here. Okay, so after this we have a bug. We have two print statements, so we have to remove one of them. So I'll just remove the outer layering and the past one also. Yes, after this one also I'm removing, and here's the other one. Let's remove this because this isn't of use and only gives us error. So now we're ready with our advanced level calculator. So let's run it. Enter the first number here. So the first number is maybe 9, then enter, and then third number here 3. What to do? For me, just add this. Okay, so it's showing that add is not defined. So what to do? Okay, so I fixed the error. I just forget to define the part of the data type of the variable, that's string. So we have to add a single or double quote here after each data type. Okay, yes, so let's run it and enter the first number here. I want 9 as the first number, and as my second number I want 3. So what to do? I want him to just add the numbers. The sum of the numbers is 12. Let's run our program. The first number will be 5 and the second number be 4. Okay, so I want to just divide the numbers. The quotient of this number is 1.25. So here you can just simplify your calculations, and you can show this to your parents as they say, hey, what are you doing the whole day at the computer? You can say, see, I made my personal own computer using Python, and they'll be very pleased with you. So this was always so this was all for today's video. I'll just bring the code in the description box in a raw form. You can use it, and make sure to hide out the comments. You can hide out the comments by deleting this, and this one. Okay, this one, the hash and the triple quotes. So let me hash this one also. So I've commented out all the code, and this would be in the description. And I didn't taught you about the advanced level calculator because that I haven't taught that functions in my videos. So after taught that functions, we'll also talk about advanced level calculators. Thank you.